Supposed to arrive today. It said it was going to arrive this morning, so I thought I was going to have it for this class. But apparently, it didn't come this morning.
You can use mine once I'm done. All right.
You need to deal with his consequences. Oh.
It's all my fault.
I can't believe that one problem took that long.
Well, it didn't. It just because I wrote out every single step for your calculator, because I know inevitably, even if you didn't write it down, you're going to probably end up needing to go back and look at it again.
Yeah.
Probably once I put the problems up, I will put the steps back up on the board so you can just see them. All right. So on 20, this is a big table.
Oh, no.
Now, my normal rule is you would need to copy all of this over to your page when you do your homework. I'm not worried about you copying the table for today. Okay? You don't need to copy the tables for the scatter plot problems. All right, so X is 7,000, 7,400, 7,800, 8,100, 8,500, 8,800, 9,200, 9,500, and 9,800.
So, I just need to start swimming.
Is it even possible to do this without a calculator?
I don't think so. No, Jonathan.
Yes, but I wouldn't advise it.
You have to make
Because I know what the best fit line is going to be, and you are not going to just figure that out on your own.
So, I ran out of room, so gotta rewrite this.
All right, my Y values are 56, 54.5, 51.9, 50, 47.3, 45.6, 43.1, 41.6, and 39.9. All right, so L1 is my X list, L2 is my Y list.
Oh no. Calculator,
All right, so you're gonna hit stat and then edit to type in these things. Obviously, you already have numbers here, but I can guarantee this is more numbers than you had typed in yesterday. So just type over top of them. You don't need to clear them, anything like that. So just type them in.
Addie, it's right there. Like, you don't.
every single time.
It's
Oh, right.
automatically there.
You literally just hit enter.
I
She
keep-
You hit stat, enter.
I keep looking at it for like on right here, and then
You should have 9 numbers in when you are done to make sure you've done it correctly.
you said 9, right?
Yep.
Perfect. I did it right.
And your calculator will tell you what number it is. If you're on your last one, it'll tell you like L2 and then parentheses 9. That will tell you that you had 9 numbers, so you can make sure that way that you have them all also.
That's the new revised version. It's going great. Totally putting all this in my calculator. What? So we're gonna do 2.7 Monday then.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we have a day.
And then we'll do 2.8 on Wednesday.
And we have a day off Friday.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot. We have class on Thursday. See, with my juniors, I only have Monday and Wednesday. So in my, like, brain, all I have is Monday and Wednesday with everybody, and I keep forgetting, like, oh, no, it's only my juniors. So Thursday we'll do whatever's after that. 2.8? No. I don't know, because I'm not giving you stuff over the long weekend. So the quiz will probably be the Tuesday after we get back. And then test.
Probably Friday.
We may test on Wednesday just to get it in. If we test on Friday, then Wednesday is going to be a notes day to do notes for the next chapter.
Oh.
I will see. It will depend on how long the quiz is and if I'll have time to grade them and give them back to you, at least by like the end of that day. I'll have to see. So, I don't know. TBD. But you won't have a quiz at least till after next week. So, all right. Everybody got them in?
Yes.
Okay. So I can quit. All right. We're going to hit second and then y equals at the top. Using stat plot 1. Again, this should stay set because y'all aren't doing anything else right now. So you've got the first option, which is the dots that are not connected. We've got L1, L2. Everybody still look like that? If not,
I put a number in twice, but it's okay. I can fix it. Okay.
and they have to line up with the Y. The L1 and L2 have to line up. So just make sure that it's still lined up when you're done.
It's a negative one.
I'm gonna redo it. Y'all can continue.
All right.
Yeah.
Anybody remember what I clicked next? Zoom. Oh, I can quit first. Then Zoom.
9.
Yep, Zoom 9 is Zoom stat. So you got it under control.
Whoa.
All right, so you're going to draw your scatter plot just from your calculator of like roughly what it looks like. Oh, you can't see it. Just my rough scatter plot. And then they want us to find and graph the equation of the best fitting line. Mostly worried about you finding the equation, not so much graphing it, but I mean graphing it. Just we'll talk about it in a second.
See, all my numbers aren't going away when I hit the clear thing.
Not clear, honey. Delete.
Delete. That's why. Delete. 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 Oh, yay, I got it. Okay, I'm good now.
Okay. All right, if you have something in your y equals from yesterday, hit y equals and hit clear so that you don't have anything, and you can just hit the graph button and it'll take you back there. All right, now I need to find the equation of the best fit line, so I'm going to hit stat, arrow over to calc, and I need option 4. X list and Y list should still be set. It's pretty much the default. Frequency list is nothing. Store regression equation. Anybody remember what button I need to hit to put in Y1?
Alpha trace.
Yep, alpha trace. And then, again, you don't have to select Y1, but it's the first one that pops up, so that's what I use.
Then you hit calculate.
Calculate it, and remember they give you an A and a B and you have to plug them into the equation. So my equation is going to be y equals negative 0.00, I'm going to go ahead and round here, 6 x plus 98.1. We'll typically do 1 decimal place. The reason on the slope value here that I did 3 is because the first 2 digits were 0. Okay.
When I get to this, how do I see the graph?
Zoom. No.
Oh! Oh, it's because I didn't. Never mind.
All right. Now, if you click on your graph again after you've done this, you're going to see a line going through the dots. Notice it's not connecting the dots. It's a line that is approximating this stuff. So if you look, like this dot is barely touching it. It's hard to see. Okay, and so we're going to, basically, we're estimating where this line would be. So it's going to kind of split. Something like that would be what it looks like for you to put that line on your graph, okay? No, mine's not perfect, but it's close, okay? That's why I say I'm more worried about the equation than the actual putting the line on there, but it's not a connect the dots, okay? That's something totally different. It's not a scatter plot. So I'm mostly worried about this, but the problem asks you to put that on your graph, so that's what I'm looking for. Questions, comments, or concerns?
Homework.
All right, problems. Did I give you any yesterday? I did not.
No, you did not.
All right, 7, 9.
That's better.
Oh wait, I forgot one. Hold on. 3, 5, 7, 9. These are all ones you do not need to copy over the graph that they've drawn for you. You just need to say what the answer is on those ones. And then 11, 13, 15, and 19. So pretty much just all the odd ones. Now, I know this seems like a lot, but that's because I want you to get used to using your calculator, okay? But also why you basically have the entire class period to do this as well, because I want you to be able to focus on this. If you get stuck, I want you to be able to ask for help, either from a classmate or from me, okay? So if you get stuck, come see me. I can come see you. However it is. If you finish and you have not done notes for the next section, you can do that when you're done.